Today I am very excited to share with you on tips. How can you make your relationships with your loved one more strong and powerful? Okay, I recently met a woman who have a wonderful personality. Now she working on a multinational company and working as a HR head. She very hardworking person and she married almost 20 years ago. She spent time with her husband happily. Even now she happy to live with her husband as well. That's why I was very curious to know the secret about her success marriage. So I took so many advice from her about life and relationship. After that I asked her, "Ma'am, what is the main quality a woman wants in husband?" Then she said, "Subankar, look, every wife and girlfriend have one common complaint about her husband and her boyfriend. Husband never listen properly their wife. When we are worried about something, they directly provide the solution without listen us properly. Here what is the interesting thing What, ma'am? We are girl almost know most of the cases what we should do. We know that, but we always want our husband listen us properly and asked what we are thinking about this problem and we have anything solution for that. Most of the cases not happen. Husband never asked or like to listen their wife. So it's wrong. It's not only husband problem. Wife also not listen and respect and understand their husband. It's all about wife and husband each problem. These days this problem is more bigger than any other problem. No one listen and respect each other. So I advise to all of you, listen carefully your partner and that time you never busy on your phone, because phone one of the reason people not notice and not carefully listen any person right now.